Hi guys, let's create a new project. Tap on this button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Select the layer, go to transform, crop and rotate, adjust the size and position. Go to adjust, saturation, reduce it down a little bit to make the video look dull. Go to overlay, video. Here we have two overlays. You can download them from the video description. Transform, fill or fit to cover the full screen. Go to blending, select multiply, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.